Tips for first-time home sellers. If the time has come to sell your home and you've never been a seller before, here are some tips for getting it right the first time. Make sure your property is in tip-top shape so it creates a great first impression. Thoroughly clean your home and make sure all mechanical systems are in good working order. Use a realtor. Don't try doing it yourself. And be sure to let your realtor know that this is your first experience as a home seller. Your realtor will develop an effective marketing plan to maximize exposure. They'll also research the competition and help you price your home competitively. A realtor knows what homes have recently sold for and what others are asking. Stay in touch regularly with your agent to review buyer activity and comments, and to hear the agent's suggestions. Selling your first home can be an emotional event, but having a professional by your side to assist you will make it easier.